Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with a little journal flip through of these two farm journals. This one is a custom order, so I'll flip quickly through that, and then this one will be listed in my Etsy. We'll look at it last and I will tell you all the information you need to know if you're interested in that journal. So this little journal is made out of a reader. It's got Oohlala lace on the side. So I should say this is a design team project for Oohlala lace and also for my old barn door on Etsy. I used the Autumn Farms kit in this journal. So anyway, Oohlala on the edges of the spine here, and there's this cute chicken trim that fabric that I've used on the spine there. And so this little reader was, I think it was 1953 was the copyright. And the cool thing about this is I had to cover it up, but there was a stamp in this book that it was at Broadwater Elementary School, which happens to be the elementary school that I went to. So I'm pretty sure this was in the library when I was in elementary school. So just a little fun fact. Okay, let's flip through. So it still has the old card in here. This is from the 70s and 80s, but really cute. I just put a sticker on that and put that in there. Did a little scrappy embellishment there. This lace was from Oohlala as well. I used a Hobby Lobby paper pack and coffee dyed the cardstock. This is just Hobby Lobby trim here. Another scrappy embellishment, just a little journaling card. I'm going to just flip through quickly and mostly want to highlight in this one the Autumn Farms digitals, which this is one, and then the Oohlala Crafts things. A digital once again here, stuffed pocket, and some doily coffee dyeing, some music, again the digital from my old barn door. This page has just a little flip here that you can write on, and some things in here. This little scrap came from Oohlala Crafts as well. And this is a wonderful, look at how cool this is. This is a goat, an origami goat that one of my viewers sent. Her mother is 91 years old and she does this origami. So special, so fun. So this page has again some Oohlala Crafts lace on it. A page from my old barn door. We've got a little feed sack belly band with a postcard. Some stamping. Some of these pages came from a Happy Mail that one of my friends sent me, and it was all stamped and ready to go with all sorts of wonderful farm stamps. This is a collage piece that I did. So she's got a little Gail Augustinelli original in here since I'm just dipping my toe into all of that. This was a wonderful snippet that I got in Happy Mail, and I just did a crossways belly band with it. Some old pages from Farm and Farmer's Wife magazine. Again, old barn door, Oohlala. And the middle, we have just some Hobby Lobby lace tied in the middle of each signature. There are two signatures in this journal. Here's another page from the kit. I should point out too, I put this on coffee dyed copy paper and coffee dyed it because I wanted it to crinkle, and my matte photo paper really doesn't crinkle very much, so that's what I did there. Here is a little sack. It's also a pocket in back. And this is some of the trim from my first digital that's on my Etsy shop. I will link my old barn door, Oohlala Crafts, and Cinnamon Tea, my Etsy, down below. So I thought that sack turned out really cute. I loved it. A little sack from Happy Mail that I just I clipped it on because it was really pretty on the back too. So just clip that on. Here's a feed sack pocket with a bunch of stuff in it. Again, here is my Old Barn Doors printables, some Oohlala craft lace. This is just a little fabric flip. I've got Oohlala lace at the top. And this little tuck I just made out of one of the journaling cards that's included with the Autumn Farms kit. Again, my Old Barn Door. This little pocket, this was a little collage that I got from Oohlala Crafts, so I tucked that on the pocket. It's just got a bunch of stuff in it. And another page from the kit, and then this is the Hobby Lobby. I think it was called something barn, but anyway. And then this was some border wallpaper that I got in Happy Mail, so there's that. Again, one of the feed sack belly bands. And Oohlala craft lace. Here's another flip with a little fabric from Oohlala and a little fabric scrap as well on the, these were the tags that I made using labels, and this is one of the digitals that I printed on labels from Oohlala. A magazine page, again a piece of the snippet. And a tuck from my Old Barn Door, lace from Oohlala. Oh no, this one is Hobby Lobby, sorry. And so is this one. But it's the eyelet lace that is from Oohlala. And then this is just another little fabric flip that I put on. You can see there's a real faint horse's head right there. And then just some lace that I had from Happy Mail. This is a little pocket that has one of the origami critters in it. Oohlala. This is a glassine bag, again with some trim from my shop, a digital from my shop. And I liked how that one came out too. My Old Barn Door printable. Here's a feed sack pocket with some things in it. A little scrappy embellishment on this book page pocket on this page. Then another little tuck from my Old Barn Door in here. And then that is the end of that one. And it's just held together with the Tim Holtz. I did put metal corners on it because it's old and it was a little raggedy. So that's the custom order. My very last one of the year. I had forgotten about her. I'm so sorry, Sarah. But your journal is going to be listed for you soon. I will message you. So then this one is going to be listed in my shop in Cinnamon Tea on Etsy. And I am going to list this journal Sunday, February 10th, 12 noon Mountain Time. And I am also going to list, at the same time, I'm going to list the farm kits that I made up. And then some of those little recipe books. And I'm going to do a separate video on those two things. But I wanted to show you these real quick. Okay, so this is a fabric cover. I just tied it with muslin. And I find it easiest just to slip it off like this. And then it'll slip back on. So fabric, coffee dyed fabric. And I did some stitching around the edge. You can see that. It's got a couple little charms at the bottom, a bee and honeycomb. Let me get that in camera, and then another little bee charm hanging out the bottom. Okay, so once again, I used Oohlala and I used my Old Barn Door Autumn Farms. And again, this is just some coffee dyed paper from, or no, this was from Happy Mail. I'm sorry, this is a two-sided. So it's got some Tim Holtz wallpaper. Again, those wonderful pages that were sent to me in Happy Mail, all stamped up and ready to go for a farm journal. We've got a fabric flip here. I'm thinking, before I get this ready, I think I might put that right there. I just saw that on my scrap bin. I'll do that. And then it's got a little recipe card in here. And then it's got one of the tags that I made using the labels again. And this is my old barn door label. And my old barn door printables. Little dictionary page, plow. Just some fun pages in this one. And then this is the wallpaper, the border. This is from my old barn door. It's backed with coffee dyed file folder, so it's good and sturdy. I have this cute little bag and a tag that I made once again with those labels. A lot of things in these two books were from Happy Mail, so thanks to all of you who had sent me that. Again, we've got a printable from my old barn door. Got a little scrappy pocket here. This little piece of fabric is from Oohlala Crafts. Here is the Rooster Origami from my 91-year-old mom of a subby, and then a Rooster journaling card in there. I love this, the sheep with the rooster on its back. And then this is a printable from my old barn door. This is some coffee dyed eyelet lace from Oohlala Crafts. And then on this side is a glassine bag that I put a napkin on that I received in Happy Mail. We've got the feed sack belly band and a postcard, Boys in a Pasture. Then wallpaper here. Fun variety and quality paper. This is from my old barn door. It's beautiful. I love that one. Once again, a bag and some journaling cards, lettuce and carrot seeds. And this is a pocket in the back, and then a pocket, of course, in the bag. Some magazine page here. This is some coffee dyed graph paper, a doily, and again, this is paper from my Happy Mail. And the middle is from my old barn door with some lace, and as I said, some charms at the bottom. And then this is a fabric flip. I've got the chicken fabric and then some feed sack fabrics. This beautiful lace, let me make sure it's in frame, yes, is from Oohlala Crafts. Magazine page, kit page, love that house too. Here again is a flip and just a little children's book page and a journaling card, coffee dyed back and sewn around from my old barn door. The coffee dyed lace there from Oohlala. A children's page here and a little journaling card made from some Happy Mail, and then it's got the digital tuck spot, and then another digital. Here's the crossways belly band, and I just put a little Jean Hermelinda tag with some fabric from Oohlala Crafts. A little scrappy pocket here with just a little journaling card popped in there. Here's the feed sack pocket, and it's got this really fun envelope from Peru, Vermont with cows and barns and such on it. And then just a little journaling card, digital from the kit. And then just some fun coffee dyed papers from the kit. And then this page has a book page pocket that I've got a little farm playing card tucked in. This collage fabric collage is from Oohlala. And then we've got a couple pieces here. And then a collaged tag that I did in a craft with me at one point. So that is the journal. That is the farm journal that will be for sale on my Etsy. Once again, it will be Sunday, February 10th at noon. And I will put the links below for Oohlala and for my old barn door and for Cinnamon Tea, my Etsy shop. So thanks so much, you guys, for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.